afternoon, everyone. My name is Chaka Rikita from BSBA Marketing 2C. I will teach you today how to be a young first aider. This is my question. What you will do if there's an incident of implanting arms in front of you? Here's are some way to help you. You will need cardboard, towel, cold water or ice, bottle of powder, scissor, and a tie. Here our victim. First, cut the cardboard into the size. Make sure that the cardboard that you will use can support into the arms. Second, shape this splint to fit the broken arm. And third, bend the splint to fit around the elbow. Fourth, determine the location of the broken bone and access the arm to make sure victim can still move fingers and feel touch and has circulation to her hand. And then, pad splint with the towel or other padding. Six, placing a powder bottle in the hand will maintain a position in function. Once the splint attached, the broken arm should be surely immobilized. So we should put a tie to make sure that it's immobilized. After the arm is splinted, resist the function like this. And the last step is use ice to reduce swelling. Put the ice or the cold water into the splinted arms. That's the first aid that we can do to the victims of splinted arms. I hope you learn in my show. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm Angelica Nobleza. Today, I'm going to teach you how to read the notes and how to play piano also. First, let us recognize this. This is a 5 lines. And this is a G-clef. Why did we call this as G-clef? It's easy because the first tail that form around, which is called a G. G is a chord that we're going to convert it into the notes. It is sol. The second one is every space that you have seen. there is a word that provide. First space is letter F, second is A, third is C, and fourth space is E. So the word that we have seen is face. Then every line that you have seen, there are accords that give us a name, that give the meanings. The chord E is for every, the chord G is for good, the chord B is for boy, the chord D is for das, and the last, the chord F is fine. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, the code of these are chords. When we convert it to the notes, C is for the do, D is for the re, E is for the mi, F is for the fa, G is for the sol, and A is for the la, B is for the ti, and the last is C is for the do, also which is the first note of the middle C, and this is the last note for the F clef. Now, we're going to recognize where do we find the notes. When you see the circle that has a line, it is only for do, under the line is re, and middle of the line is mi, and that first space that from this is fa, and sol for the second line, la, ti, do, and the rest is for the higher notes. So, I guess you have learned a lot from this. I guess you know how to read notes also. And I thought that if you're going to continue to read this, you will be an excellent and you will be better a pianist. Thank you for watching.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vanessa Gulis. I'm here to teach you how to make a paper star. These are the materials: colored paper, scissor, base, or box that we able to put the paper star. First, we get a colored paper, then we cut it. After cutting the paper, we twist it. After twisting, the paper form like this. We cut the right part of the paper. After that, we keep unfolding side by side. Side by side. We cut the small part of the paper, then the last part of the paper we insert After that, we pitch the corner of the pentagon. Then after that, it's like a star. This is the star paper. This is the finished product. We put in the base. Then after that, this is the. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned. I hope it helped you to become artistic and creative. Thank you.
A pleasant
Blessed day to everyone. I am Mirasol Pontines and I teach you the other way or shortcut of multiplying the same number. Let's start multiplying 11. Step 1, multiply the two numbers in the left side. 1 times 1 is 1. Then step 2, add the two numbers in the left side. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then, step 3, multiply the two numbers in the right side. 1 times 1 is 1. Then, we get the answer, 121. Then, let's proceed to multiply 25 times 25. First step, multiply 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Then, bring down the 25. Don't carry the 2 like we used to do. Then, step 2, add plus 1 to the upper right side. 1 plus 2 is 3. Step 3, multiply the sum of step 2, then times to the lower right side. 3 times 2 is 6. The answer is 625. I hope you enjoy my shortcut of multiplication with the same number. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I'm Janet Satacador and now I will teach you how to tie a half Windsor. First, situate the tie so that the end A is longer than the end B and cross A over B, like this. Next, bring A up around A behind B, like this. Next, bring A up, like this. Next, pull A up and through the loop. Next, bring A up around front over B from left to right. Again, bring A up and through the loop. Next, bring A down through the knot in front. Using both hands, tighten the knot and draw up the collar. That's all. I hope you learned. Thank you for watching.
Pinch me, this is so